With each deliberate step, the matriarch charts a path through the golden grasses of Amboseli. Behind her, the herd follows, a symphony of trust and unity under the shadow of Mount Kilimanjaro's eternal gaze. At the heart of Amboseli, giants meet under the sun's tender glow. Elephants drink deeply, while zebras and wildebeests graze nearby, their lives intertwined in the great rhythm of the savannah. Here in Amboseli, nature composes its masterpiece. Lions rest in stoic calm, giraffes stretch to meet the heavens, and buffaloes move like shadows through the tall grasses, a tableau of unending wonder. Alone on the dusty plains, the bull elephant walks with a quiet dignity, its massive silhouette etched against the fire-lit horizon, embodying the solitude of a nomadic spirit. Where wilderness meets the world of men, an uneasy dance unfolds. The elephants roam cautiously, their steps a reminder of a delicate balance that hangs by the thinnest thread. Tension electrifies the air as cheetahs stalk the wary impalas, their every move choreographed in the timeless, perilous dance between hunger and survival. In Amboseli's embrace, life thrives unbroken. Giraffes trace arcs in the sky, lions laze in regal serenity, and elephants churn the earth in a march that echoes the pulse of the savannah. The matriarch trumpets her command, her voice slicing through the still air. Her herd clusters around her, their trust and vigilance as strong as the bond they share. Broken fences and worn paths tell a quiet story of intrusion. Here, the giants of Amboseli face the creeping shadows of human expansion, their existence balanced on an ever-shifting edge. A trembling calf rises on new legs, its mother's presence a pillar of reassurance. The herd gathers, their protective circle a sanctuary of hope amidst the wild's unpredictable tides.